Hello and welcome to Tech Gadgets. Today I'm going to show you the Philips AC1215 air purifier. It's the latest model from the consumer electronics chain, and it has been specially designed for your bedroom and incorporates various features such as nighttime sensing, reducing the brightness of LCD display, and switching to whisper kite mode. With a slew of new models and brands hitting the market, such as MI Air Purifier 2, Philips had up to its game with the AC1215. So before buying this purifier, I also thought and reviewed. I have seen so many purifiers, what is available in the market, but I chose Philips. And Let's see why I have chosen the Philips for an air purifier that has been specially designed for the bedroom. We will expect AC1212 to will be smaller than it is both the Philips other models like 4025 and 4012, and it have less depth than AC1215. Both those units are lighter as well, which makes it easier if you want to move the air purifier into different rooms. And looks wise, it's not going to win any awards. This is a base model offered by Philips, and perhaps to keep the cost down, not much as effort that has been put into the aesthetics of the unit. And the AC1215 is going head to head against the MI Air Purifier 2, which costs about the same. And the big benefit of MI Air Purifier 2 is app based control. But why I didn't choose that? Because every time you have to switch on the home Wi-Fi, again you have to connect your phone with that app based control. So that's the reason I didn't choose that. And When compared to the clean air rate also, it's more, but this is very good because it has all the controls on the touch panel itself, and there is not much you can change on AC1215 as it's a very basic model. And however, you can change the fan speeds depending on reported air quality in your home. And if you haven't run the unit in a day or two, then you can rapidly purify the air by cranking up the fan speed. Will also increases the noise also, because that's a turbo mode in it. And the intelligence night sense mode recognizes when it's night time and automatically dims the LED lights and reduces the fan speed to whisper levels. And your air conditioning unit or ceiling fan are going to be louder than the air purifier. A visual color reference is used to give you real-time feedback on the air quality in the room, and the LED lights change color depending on the amount of harmful particles in the ambient air. So it's very good. This visual cue is especially useful to know at a glance what the quality of air you are breathing. And finally, a child lock is in place to ensure that the children can't play around with the settings. Not there is much that can be changed, and there is no timer setting to switch off the unit after a prescribed amount of time. And however, there is an auto setting that will switch the unit on and off for the hassle-free operation. And Philips claims that AC1215 has an effective coverage of 678 square foot, which is huge given its price. And the only way they could be claiming this is if the unit was left off the fastest fan speed, which is noisy for several hours. And also because the unit competes so closely with MI Air Purifier 2, which has a coverage of 400 square foot, Philips probably feels the need to point this basic measurement as a selling point. And the whisper quiet noise levels, the fan definitely isn't strong enough to circulate the air in a 600 plus square foot room. And also, given AC1215 is being marketed as a bedroom air purifier, we don't think there will be too many bedrooms exceeding 700 square foot in space. And coverage doesn't mean much without knowing the clean air delivery rate of CADR, because it's the most important thing in air purifier. It's the rate at which the air purifier can clean the air, and most of the purifiers doesn't mention that what is the quality of air, and they will sell it for cheap prices. But the people will trap to that air purifiers and they will buy that. But the main important aspect you have to check is the CADR rate. And why I choose Philips? Because MI purifier CADR rate is more when compared to Philips. But why I choose this? Because of easy applications, you can see everything on the touch panel itself. But whereas in MI you can't do that. So that's the reason I have choose Philips. By comparison, the MI Air Purifier 2 has a CADR of 310 meter cube per hour, which is faster when compared to Philips also. And all this means that Philips claims the unit has a coverage of 678 square foot. The rate at which it can clean that air will be quite slow. Again, the inflated coverage numbers don't make sense in the context that the unit is being sold. It will work great for a bedroom or small room, but for larger rooms you need an air purifier like Philips AC2887 or even bigger AC4387. And when it comes to the running cost and everything, like most air purifiers, the AC1215 requires very little power to keep it running even at full power. It's only drawing 50 watts during its night sense operation. It's drawing as little as 11 watts, which is about what energy saving light bulb draws. And to be clear, the electricity costs of the running one or two air purifiers at home is going to be only a marginal increase in your monthly electricity bill. The real ongoing costs are the replacement of HEPA and activated carbon filters. You can see this one is activated carbon filter, the second one. First one is HEPA filter, and this one is a pre-filter. And the HEPA filter costs around 3000 and needs to be changed every 2 to 3 months if you are living in the most polluted cities. And if you are living in less polluted cities, you might be able to run the air purifier for up to 6 months before the filter needs to be replaced. And you must be aware that running on an air purifier has been ongoing cost. On one hand it's a pain, but on the other hand, think how much pollution and harmful PM 2.5 particles you would otherwise be breathing in. And its ideal usage, the Philips AC1215 is squarely aimed at competing with the MI air purifier 2. It's designed for the bedroom with its night sense features, and with for quiet operation. You can also use it in other small rooms like a study if required. An air purifier is one room doesn't clean the air in another room, even if the door is open, although reported coverage is quite high. And we firmly believe this is an exaggerated claim. So the thing is, it is ideal for only single rooms, and if you want to purify in another room, you have to place this in another room and again you have to start it. And the price which I purchased it in an offer is 8900, that is around 9000 I have purchased it. So it's very good deal, and with the same cost I can get my air purifier too. But why didn't I choose this Philips air purifier? Because it's very handy. You can see the lights over there. It will tell you the air quality. First time it will blink and it will settle down for one color, so that it will tell you the air quality in your room. So I will leave the link in the description, by that you can buy this air purifier, and I will leave the link for the MI air purifier 2 also. And it's very good when compared to MI air purifier 2, because it's very good and in everything, in every aspect, and I can feel that fresh air in my room. So depending on the air quality of the room, it will settle down. Blue means the excellent quality, purple means it's moderate, and red means it's very bad. So it will just show on different colors and it will settle down to one color. So you can see that. So now it's in blue mode. So this is the latest update, guys. So hope that guys you like this update, and please comment and subscribe for my channel for more tech and auto related updates. And don't forget to click on bell icon to get new video notifications. Thank you.